Hi guys, got a clock to look at. No, I didn't buy this one in a charity shop. This one's my daughter's. Originally intended to be that way round, but she's reversed it so it's that way round. And I went to change the battery in it, and that just fell clean out. And having put a new battery in it, it doesn't work. So we're going to have a little look at it. We can either leave it in place and try and clip the back off. That might work. I will just check the battery that we put in it is okay. I think it is. Yeah, that one's okay. I'll just check the one that I took out. That one's down to 1.3. Yeah. So yeah, that's a bit low. Right, let's see if we can get it apart without taking it fully apart. There's a couple of plastic clips, one on that side and one on that side. If I can get them up, we can probably get the back off without taking it all the way apart. It's not a big deal, it just means we've got to get the clear plate off to get the hands off so we can pull it through this way. So we'll see if we can get this apart first. Might be lucky. Right, there we go. There's nothing obviously wrong with it. Not at first glance, none of these gears have popped right out of position. But this end, that bit of plastic's broken, so this isn't putting as much tension on the back there to give it power. But I've manoeuvred it about and that hasn't made any difference. It might be the other end of this bit of metal goes all the way along here and it'll be making contact up at this end somewhere. So it might be where that's bounced out, it's disconnected up here somewhere. Will these lift out? Nope. I think we are going to have to take the front off just to get the hands off. Looks like a clip there and a clip there, which will be just there. There we go. That wasn't too dramatic. Oh, must have caught that. That gear's just fallen out. Will that one come up, or have I got to? That's pulling up through the middle, which will be that one coming off there. I strongly suspect it is just this metal strip. Where are we? Make sure the camera can see what we're talking about. I was wondering if that had come disconnected from there. Before I go any further, I'll just point out what we've got in focus, I hope. Yeah, that tag and that tag are the wires that go to the coil. And as far as I can see, they're okay. I could just put a meter across those two tags and check that the coil is okay. I go on those two tags. At 120 ohms. So that looks like the coil's okay. I don't know what resistance it should be, but we're getting a reading. Rather than an open circuit, which I would expect to get if it was broken. So it doesn't look like it's the coil. The way it works is you get current flow into the coil, creates a magnetic field, and that thing's got a magnet on it, makes it turn a bit. Right, what we're doing here is I've just extended the battery contacts onto these two wires. And if I hold them directly to make contact, that is actually turning. Okay, connect the wires to the bottom. And we can see that stepping around. Well, it gets better. Not. The little pillar or post that goes up in the middle of this magnet thing has fallen off. So, yeah, it looks like dropping it on the floor didn't do it any good. We're not going to be able to repair that. I mean, I could try super gluing it, but that piece there is also broken. So I think the best bet is to swap the mechanism. I've probably got another clock somewhere that I can swap it with. Well, there we are. A working clock with a replacement mechanism. You may notice the hands are different. I tried really hard to get the original hands back on there, but the shafts are just a tiny bit wider. I did try opening these out a little bit. I managed to get that one on, but I couldn't get the other one on. And I was bending the hands as I was trying to open out the holes. So that's going to have to do like that. That works. And it looks to me like this originally had hot glue on it to hold it in place on that side, because she uses it the other way round, because this matches her paintwork. So the best thing I can do is to stick some hot glue on the back of it now while it's in there, so it won't fall out again. And you see this hot glue around here. Yeah, okay, well that's sort of job done. And we established the actual mechanism is still working, so I'll keep that, but all the little shafts were broken, so it obviously fell pretty hard when it fell. All back together. Time set. Just happens to be 10 o'clock at night. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.